There we go. So I'm just going to hit that button there. It's on auto, so it should automatically go onto power source, which I'm on a hookup at the moment, so it's on electricity. So that's all nice. Excellent. Right, let's get her loaded. There goes the ice. In there. Oh, it's ended up being a big lump. But we'll squeeze it in there. That'll be cool. That's it. That's most important. There's the ice. Yeah, so I'm just basically sorting all my stuff for my refrigerator to go in. So I have got sausages, I have got bacon, and I've got coleslaw. And Joff has got these boxes to put his bacon in, but he's getting a bit lazy tonight, so he's just going to put them down there for a second until I get sorted out. I've got eggs. I'm just getting everything in the van. Oh yeah, we have got some nice big burgers, because I think it's about time I started maybe have my last well, it's January and it's about time I had got me Kodak out. I think got the old Kodak barbecue out and maybe knocked up beef burgers over the weekend, and I've got some nice peppers there to go with it, and I've got some very nice rocket, because I like me rocket, and we got some little cherry tomatoes which are over there. There's little cherry tomatoes. I'm literally just going to lob all this stuff in tonight for a minute to keep it all cool. There goes the milk. You've ended up with a couple of chicken and black bean sauces for one evening. We're going to have 2 nights. So we got the burgers for one night. We got the chicken and black bean sauce Chinese takeaway thing for one night. I've got some. I've got my brioche burger rolls. I've got some nice bread there. I've got another. I've replaced my Seville marmalade that I had in the house with a new one, and I brought that in there because I couldn't remember if I still had marmalade in here. Have I still got marmalade? I've got strawberry jam, I think, and I might have a little bit in there. Looks like nearly an empty jar, so that's a good plan, because I cannot live without my M&S marmalade, and that'll go in there. Lovely. That's nice. Oh, I've picked up some more kitchen rolls, and I've still got kitchen rolls here, but that's all right. It's nice to have stock. And in my bread bin, oh, I've still got some poppadoms, and I've got some a little 4-pack of beans as well. But that's not a problem. Getting bread in there. There's me sliced loaf, and I've got my little brioche burger rolls in there. Yeah, so I've just realised actually that I'm a little bit pushed for space in my fridge to get my chickens takeaways in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a little tidy up with my bins and lose that in there, because I still have my bins in my fridge, so I need to utilise them. So there goes the bacon and the sausages in there. That's all cool. These are really nice, airtight. Get them in there. That's nice. Yeah, so having a little shuffle about now. I can get my Cokes in there. I've still got 1 bottle of beer in there. I've got 1 Coke left from last time. We have got some Elvis juice, and we have got a couple of tins of Brewdog layer cake. That looks interesting. They'll sit in there. So I've got plenty of cold beer. In our underground compartment goes the extra kitchen rolls. Keep them in stock with all our little bits and pieces in there. Yeah, so we are heading to the coast this weekend, so I thought I might chuck in some of this lightly salted seaweed. Coconut seaweed crunch. And a few other snacks. So we're going to throw them up in my snack cupboard, which is up there. So there are little snacky things up there, all things that go nice with a beer. Splendid. We'll just tuck them in there. So that'll be interesting to see what that seaweed stuff's like down by the sea. Marvellous. Oh, so it's now 19:26, so that's about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. New subscriber. Oh, that's nice. New subscriber. We'll check out that one in a minute, I think. So anyway, while I'm just doing this little video, I thought I would just show you a couple of things. So I've just had my latest February 2022 Caravan and Motorhome Club magazine come through. So what I'm actually going to do tonight, I'm actually going to just film this video, and I'm going to try and quickly edit it and sling it out tonight, which is Thursday night. So we'll see how we get on for time. So nearly 7:30 now. The couple of little things I spotted in this when I had a quick look through earlier on. Just give me a second. There was a little article on, hang on, let me just have a little look a minute. It was an article related to Berlin. So if you guys are in the Caravan and Motorhome Club and got this February magazine, that was like quite an interesting one as well. That's a little bit of Scotland, I think, up through the Cairngorm National Park. It was interesting. We was there at Christmas, and I think they actually we stayed at Grantown-on-Spey earlier in May. It's featured in one of our videos, so if you go back on the back catalogue of our videos, you'll see that one. And along here somewhere, scooters, quick flip through. Here we go. Yeah, Germany. So we, as you know, back in the end of November, we were actually in Germany. So if anybody's reading this, and yeah, there's the picture I actually saw. We actually stayed in a camper one-mobile park just outside of the city, and it was easy to traverse into the city and via a train from the Womo Park, from the Motorhome Park, and we ended up just in the city. We got off on Alexandra Platz, which is just by the big, not far from this big spear. And yeah, so check out our video from November if you guys are thinking about maybe a trip to Eastern Germany. We were in Hamburg, but yeah, I just spotted that one, and I think that was there was some other little thing that I spotted. It might have been a bit possibly that's the Scotland, there we go, look. So it's out on that northeast 250 kind of route, the new sort of like route. Aberdeen. Check our videos out from around about May, because we visited Brewdog at Ellon, and a lot of this area. We were up on the Lossiemouth, up along the top there. So yeah, I literally had a quick flick through. I just got to read it a little bit in more detail. There's Inverness. We've just done the epic roads where we did the bridge out of Inverness across, and it was so nice. Christmas in Scotland. What was it like? But yeah, by all means check out our some of our back catalogue of videos. And yeah, right, I'll leave it there. So that's that latest, so I've got to have a little more in-depth peruse of that one. Yeah, and as you may know, I've been fitting these little Nebo sensor lights in some of the cabinets in my outside of my motorhome, and they've been proving really good. So I've got this extra one that I haven't done nothing with yet, so I'm kind of like, where can I put that? And I'm thinking I might actually put it in the bathroom of my moho, and then if you get out in the middle of the night and want to use the toilet, you don't have to worry about any light switches whatsoever. You can just open the door and the light will come on. So I'm just I'll just turn that light on a minute and just show you what I'm thinking. So right, I'm thinking that possibly it might go discreetly under there. I think that might be the best place for it. I don't want to go, because obviously our bathroom swings around, so I didn't want to. I was thinking about trying to maybe get it down on the lower part of here maybe, but I don't know. I'm not sure yet. Looks a bit of true. I'm a little bit fussy where I'm putting this sort of swag, and it might just blend in under there, I think. And it looks quite central. Almost looks like a little air freshener. It's not too. Right, let's see what I'm going to do a minute. I'm going to have a little think. How are we doing for time? The time is 19:32, so that's not too bad. So I'm nearly into about 20 minutes messing around out here. So I'm going to go in and rip this video in a minute, and hopefully it'll be online by about 8:30, 9 o'clock. Right, I'm going to stick this on somewhere, and I'll show you where I've stuck. Right, so I've done my little sticky bit, and I'm gonna now open the door and show you guys what happens. Okay, so let's see what happens as he opens the door. And look at that. How neat is that? I'm in love with them things, absolutely in love with them. Look at that, it looks $1 million. Let's step inside, and that's gonna give me enough light just to use the toilet and return back to bed. Nebo, I'll put the link in the description, I think, as well, so you guys can see them. And yeah, that's pretty impressive, isn't it? I'm loving them things, absolutely loving it. Right, that's it for me. I'm gonna go and rip this video. It is now 19, and thank you, so it's come up, Brian Dolan. Thank you, Brian, I've just had your subscription come through. Much appreciated, thanks a lot. I'm gonna go and rip this video, and we'll catch you in the next one. And oh, it's down by the coast in Dorset. See you later.